Imagine a celestial object as large as the Eiffel Tower, hurtling through space and coming uncomfortably close to our planet. Meet Apophis, a rock star in the asteroid world. In just 6 years from now, in 2029, this celestial traveler will swoop past Earth, marking a significant milestone for scientific study. Its close encounter will offer us a golden opportunity to learn more about these fascinating celestial bodies that wander in our cosmic neighborhood. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the mysteries of this fascinating asteroid. First sighted in 2004, Apophis stands out with its unique characteristics. This celestial enigma is an S-type asteroid composed predominantly of silicate rocks and metallic minerals. Its composition offers a fascinating glimpse into the building blocks of our solar system. As if its composition wasn't intriguing enough, Apophis also boasts a peculiar peanut-like shape, hinting at the presence of two potential lobes. This distinctive form only adds to the allure of this asteroid, but Apophis wasn't always seen as a scientific treasure. There was a time when it was considered a threat. Once upon a time, Apophis was classified as a potential Earth impactor. This menacing asteroid was a celestial enigma, looming in the darkness of space with the potential to cause significant devastation. However, as our understanding of this cosmic body evolved, so did the narrative. Astronomers, armed with cutting-edge technology and an insatiable curiosity, determined that the upcoming flyby of Apophis poses no threat to our beloved Earth for at least the next century. The asteroid, once feared, is now viewed as a golden opportunity for scientific exploration. This shift in perspective has transformed Apophis from a celestial threat to an invaluable treasure. It's a treasure chest of knowledge waiting to be unlocked, offering insights into the mysteries of our solar system and beyond. The stage is set, and NASA's Osiris Rex spacecraft is ready for a new rendezvous. Fresh from its mission to Bennu, Osiris Rex is embarking on a new journey as Osiris Apex. This star voyager, having completed its initial mission, is getting a new lease on life as it is repurposed for a rendezvous with Apophis. The journey won't be a short one. In fact, it will take Osiris Apex 6 long years to reach its new destination. But what's a few years in the grand scheme of the cosmos? The voyage will be filled with opportunities for study and discovery. As Osiris Apex makes its way toward Apophis, it will be gathering invaluable data to help us better understand these celestial bodies. It's a race against time, a dash through the void of space, all leading up to a pivotal moment in 2029. That's when Osiris Apex is expected to arrive at Apophis, marking a new chapter in space exploration. The anticipation builds as we prepare for an up-close and personal encounter. Once Osiris Apex enters Apophis's orbit, the real adventure begins. This close encounter will allow for an unprecedented level of detail in mapping, imaging, and spectral analysis of the asteroid. Imagine for the first time we'll be able to scrutinize every inch of this celestial body, uncovering the secrets of its composition and formation. This close-up view is more than just a sightseeing tour. It's a key to understanding one of our closest cosmic neighbors. But the mission doesn't stop at observation. There's a plan to probe deeper. Osiris Apex has a trick up its sleeve, a maneuver to dislodge and study particles from Apophis's surface. This isn't just a cosmic dust-up. By using its thrusters, Osiris Apex can stir up dust and small rocks, collecting valuable samples. These samples, like time capsules, hold the secrets of Apophis's past. They can offer us insights into the asteroid's internal structure and its formation history, which in turn can shed light on the early stages of our solar system. The discoveries from Apophis will not only unveil its secrets, but also the mysteries of the cosmos. The Osiris Apex mission is about more than just one asteroid. It's a cosmic quest that carries the potential to unlock the secrets of our solar system's early formation. The detailed study of Apophis will not only reveal its mysterious origins, but also enhance our knowledge of celestial bodies. This in turn will bolster our planetary defense capabilities, preparing us for any future close encounters. Join us as we eagerly await the discoveries that lie ahead in 2029.